Morning everyone, quick update. We finally have a male flower opened up on the zucchini. Right there. You can see the difference. It's got the same flower head, but the stem is just a thin stem rather than... Oh, there's another one here. Okay, good. There's two. Rather than with the zucchinis itself, which have the the immature zucchini on it. So I'm gonna pollinate it now. So we're gonna just get right in. I don't think it's quite open yet. There we go. You can see the pollen falling out. So I'm just gonna grab some of this. Nice. Wow, that's a lot. And then we're just gonna put it into female flower, which is right here. Gently rub it in there, and then we'll also do a little bit on the outside, just in case when the flower closes up, pollen will, be receptive, I guess. Okay, so that's the update. I'm gonna do the rest of them, but I was just worried that it was gonna take a while. It was gonna take too long for the male flowers to open up, and then the female flowers and the zucchini attached to them would miss the window of opportunity. So I'm a little distracted. I'm just looking around at everything else. But this is just a quick update. I'll give you guys a proper update maybe later on in the week when I've got more stuff to share. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.